Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog and thank you for showing so much of love in my previous video. I am really grateful for that. But today we are going to get my nails done. And I'm not going alone. My girlfriends are gonna come with me. I am waiting for them. I'll post on. Usually, I post. This is Eldo Chetty. Hi, Mario. My girls are here. I'm at Royal Bakers. Quick snacks. We are going to do nails. This is Lenskart the Phonic. I will try and show you guys. This looks pretty. Okay. What are you getting? We don't like anything carbonated. We don't like anything with sugar.
Vodka or soda.
15 minutes and we're still deciding on the design. Did you decide?
No. I'm thinking I should go for this.
It looks good.
Looks good, right? And side la naga silver orka.
You decide what you want? Yes. Ooh, it will look good on your hands. Post hi guys. It's the post day. I was post in the morning. I'm post now because there is only 2 technicians to do the nails. So I have to wait till theirs is over for mine to start. Here starting is 6:50 to do nails. Prepping my nails. Oh, this is so pretty. I wanted to do coffin nails, but these girls made me do this. Got a feminine touch. I could do that. So these are almond nails. I can't really any courses in this show. In them course designs I'm decide I'm very obsessed about everything. I needed cute and something that represents my cat, so she's giving me these things. I'm very confused. You look very pretty in this light anyway. Oh. Do you like your nail?
Yes. Very much.
We just started doing the nail art. It's looking so cute. I can give a glimpse of. Last show close up. Pretty. Ready guys? 1,
2, 3, 4. Indrarattam. Hi, Indrarattam.
These are nail art and these are extensions. Oh my god, there's gonna be a lot of this. This is Cross Nails in the owner.
My name is Elizabeth. And Cross Nails altogether all nail service customer access started. It's going very well so far. Thank you so much for all the clients who have come here. Please keep supporting us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this pretty nails. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് ബൈ പറയണേ. Go. 3 മാസമുള്ള കുട്ടികൾക്ക് പാൽ കൊടുക്കുന്ന ഉളുപ്പുണ്ടല്ലോ ലേശം. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടോ? Look, Mama did nails. That's it guys. That was the day today. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. Like, share and subscribe this video and I will be coming and seeing you with another video very soon. Till then, bye.